What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jason Barber, educator, back at you again with another one. Today we doing a minimalist challenge. We're gonna cut all day with just one clipper and one trimmer. You know, a lot of us barbers, we got many clippers and trimmers on our stations, but we're gonna just see how these guys get it done with just one trimmer and one clipper and one electric shaver without grabbing all the different 5, 6, 7, 8 clippers and trimmers on the station. So me and one of my co-workers, David, we're gonna do this challenge today. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna do just Slimline Pro Li and cordless magic clips. Just those two clippers. Let's get right into it.
Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I didn't want to be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music ass, I know he capping. Yeah. 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 Really tryna make something happen. Every time I go to the skin, I'm snapping. I don't wanna be about selling trap. Yeah. I'm really tryna make something happen. That's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I ain't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. These bitches don't love me, they just do a nigga wrong. You know the pain real, cause I say it in every song. I'm tryna go little where they say we don't belong. And if he fuck with me, he better pray he make it home. Cause my niggas is trained out, they don't play, yeah, they don't go. And yo, we keep them straps, so if you play, then we gon' blow. And I'm all about money, I think that's something that you should know. So if it ain't about money, I think that you should leave me alone. Ain't really tryna talk if you ain't speaking by the bag. With that out on my dick, I had to get up off my ass. I wasn't one of the smartest, graduated with my class. Didn't really fuck with school, I was just trying to get a bag. Got it on my lonely, I ain't need a handout. No. But when I'm at the top, niggas gon' have their hands out. Look away from your hand, cause nigga, you's a fan now. I know they gon' hate, cause they know I'm the man now. Tryna make something happen, that's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I didn't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music ass, I know he capping. Yeah. 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 Really tryna make something happen. Every time I go to the skin, I'm snapping. I don't wanna be about selling trap. Yeah. I'm really tryna make something happen. That's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I ain't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. These bitches don't love me, they just do a nigga wrong. You know the pain real, cause I say it in every song. I'm tryna go little where they say we don't belong. And if he fuck with me, he better pray he make it home. Cause my niggas is trained out, they don't play, yeah, they don't go. And yo, we keep them straps, so if you play, then we gon' blow. And I'm all about money, I think that's something that you should know. So if it ain't about money, I think that you should leave me alone. Ain't really tryna talk if you ain't speaking by the bag. With that out on my dick, I had to get up off my ass. I wasn't one of the smartest, graduated with my class. Didn't really fuck with school, I was just trying to get a bag. Got it on my lonely, I ain't need a handout. No. But when I'm at the top, niggas gon' have their hands out. Look away from your hand, cause nigga, you's a fan now. I know they gon' hate, cause they know I'm the man now. Tryna make something happen, that's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I didn't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music ass, I know he capping. Yeah. 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 Really tryna make some money. Every time I go get a skin on snap, I don't wanna ever selling junk. Yeah. I'm really tryna make something happen. That's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I ain't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. These bitches don't love me, they just do a nigga wrong. You know the pain real, cause I say it in every song. I'm tryna go little way, they say we don't belong. And if he fuck with me, he better pray he make it home. Cause my niggas is trained out, they don't play, yeah, they don't go. And yo, we keep them straps, so if you play, then we gon' blow. And I'm all about money, I think that's something that you should know. So if it ain't about money, I think that you should leave me alone. Ain't really tryna talk if you ain't speaking about the bag. With them out on my dick, I had to get up off my ass. I want one of the smartest, graduated with my class. Didn't really fuck with school, I was just trying to get a bag. Now that I'm lonely, I ain't need a handout. No. But when I'm at the top, niggas gon' have their hands out. Look away from your hand, cause nigga, you's a fan now. I know they gon' hate, cause they know I'm the man now. Tryna make something happen, that's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I didn't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. Yeah. 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 Really tryna make some money. Every time I go get a skin on snap, I don't wanna ever selling junk. Yeah. I'm really tryna make something happen. That's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I ain't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. These bitches don't love me, they just do a nigga wrong. You know the pain real, cause I say it in every song. I'm tryna go little way, they say we don't belong. And if he fuck with me, he better pray he make it home. Cause my niggas is trained out, they don't play, yeah, they don't go. And yo, we keep them straps, so if you play, then we gon' blow. And I'm all about money, I think that's something that you should know. So if it ain't about money, I think that you should leave me alone. Ain't really tryna talk if you ain't speaking about the bag. With them out on my dick, I had to get up off my ass. I want one of the smartest, graduated with my class. Didn't really fuck with school, I was just trying to get a bag. Now that I'm lonely, I ain't need a handout. No. But when I'm at the top, niggas gon' have their hands out. Look away from your hand, cause nigga, you's a fan now. I know they gon' hate, cause they know I'm the man now. Tryna make something happen, that's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I didn't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. Yeah.
All right, y'all, listen. So that was my stuff. Got mine out the way. I actually did 17 heads that day instead of 11, but I had already done 2 heads before I thought of the challenge. And then my clipper went dead. My trimmers went dead after in the middle of number 12. So I only gave y'all the first 11. Now my David cuts right beside me, so we got some footage from him doing the same challenge. He did the cordless magic clips and the cordless gamma hitters. All right, he had FX3 shaver. So we're gonna get right into his right now. Boom.
I ain't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. These bitches don't love me, they just do a nigga wrong. You know the pain real, cause I say it in every song. I'm tryna go little way, they say we don't belong. And if he fuck with me, he better pray he make it home. Cause my niggas is trained out, they don't play, yeah, they don't go. And yo, we keep them straps, so if you play, then we gon' blow. And I'm all about money, I think that's something that you should know. So if it ain't about money, I think that you should leave me alone. Ain't really tryna talk if you ain't speaking about the bag. With them out on my dick, I had to get up off my ass. I want one of the smartest, graduated with my class. Didn't really fuck with school, I was just trying to get a bag. Now that I'm lonely, I ain't need a handout. No. But when I'm at the top, niggas gon' have their hands out. Look away from your hand, cause nigga, you's a fan now. I know they gon' hate, cause they know I'm the man now. Tryna make something happen, that's why I'm rapping. Every time I go up in the studio, I'm snapping. I didn't wanna be up on the block selling and trapping. And if a nigga say my music gas, I know he capping. Yeah.